So here we go. Alright, so let's see how my hair's doing today. Alright, I gotta say, man, the best time for hair is the fall because it's not hot and humid like the summer where your hair gets weighted down. But then it's not like blustery winter where your hair gets like blown over the place. So the fall is usually the best time for like styling hair because the weather is dry and your hair can be bouncy like mine. Okay, all right. Now that I've wasted a minute of your life talking about hair, let's start with the Common Core homework problems. Okay, so tonight I'm going to go over all 4 problems. All right, just as a matter of policy, that we're going to go over all these, just so that everyone knows what the answers are supposed to be. Okay, let's start here. Now, the width of a rectangle. So I always draw a rectangle. All right, the width is 6 2/3. The length of the rectangle is twice the width, so you got to double that. All right. So you can do this. You can multiply this by 2. Now, what I want to do is turn this into an improper fraction first. So 3, 6, 18, 20, 20 over 3. You double that. So that's 40 over 3. And then, and then what's going to happen is, actually, let's leave that. Now, what's the perimeter? So you got to add the 4 sides up together. Okay. 40 over 3 and then 6 2/3. Okay. All right. So I'm going to add the 4 sides. I'll add these 2 first, or you could just double them, right? So here you got the perimeter. So I'll double that, so that's 80 over 3. All right, I'm going to do some of this in my head. All right. Plus, let's see, 6 2/3 plus 6 2/3. 12 4/3. Okay, let's just keep it that way from now. So let's see. Now I'm just going to do it like the old-fashioned way. Turn this, that's a 3. Turn this into a proper, so 36 over 40. 6 plus 4. Right, okay. So 120 over 3. Hi, what's up? So that's 40. Okay. All right, 40 inches. Okay, so that's B. Okay, number 2. Okay, a pine tree measured 40.5 feet tall for 7.5 years, grew to the height of that. During the 7.5 years, what's the average yearly growth? So you got to take 57 and subtract 40.5 from that first. Now, what does that mean? So you're left with a half as an answer, right? So 57, so you borrow 56, so 16.5. Okay, let's see, half, 56, 57. Now, over the 7.5 years, so what's the average yearly growth? You divide it by 7.5. Okay. So you divide, so 2, 16, 32, 33. 2, 16, 32, 33 divided by 15 over 2. Keep change, flip. 33 over 2 times 2 over 15. Nice, we can cross cancel. Cross, cross. All right, 33 over 15. You should probably do this while you're watching this, actually, because I'm not going fast at all. So you guys will probably be done when I'm done. So maybe that's not a bad idea. Save you some time, you know? And it's not that you're gonna see the answers way before. So that's, what is that? Let's see, 330. So 3, so 2 and the 5th. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. 3, all right, I'm going to run out of space. I don't know how to erase this. All right, maybe someone can tell me how to erase this. Hint. Okay, last week Rachel power walked for 2 and 3 miles each of the 7 days. During the same week she also jogged. Total number of walked and jogged. Okay, all right. So times what? 7. Now you can think of this as an order of operation problem. Okay. Hi. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's do this. So 5 2 so 13 over 5 times 7. Right, I'll rewrite. Right, because I'm a cool kid. 4 times 5 is 20. 23 over 4 times 4. Nice. Okay, I can cross cancel. That's music to my ears. Now let's see. 7 times 13, 91 over 5 plus, now these two cancels out, plus 23, fine. So let's turn this guy into a mixed number. What is that? 5, 1 is 5. 5, 8 is 40. 95. Plus 23. 8, so 41. 41 and 1/5. Okay. All right. Now I'm out of space, so let's try to. Okay. All right. So I made a mistake in the for number 4. I have to fix it. So hold on. Let's see. All right. So so this is actually the beginning of the expressions unit. Actually, if you think enough about this. Okay. So this is eventually gonna turn into expressions and equations. Now, the slightly tricky part is they don't want to know for 5 weeks what the growth is. They actually want to know for 3. All right. So what we're gonna do is take 3 and multiply by 7, 12. Okay. So in the last one, I just didn't even finish reading the question and I just started. So that's why I put 5 in there, and that's how I got it wrong. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna keep this at the back end. And then here I'm going to do 3 times, so okay, all right. So let's turn this into an improper fraction. So 96, that's 103 over 12. So that's, let's cross cancel. Oh, that makes things so much easier. Okay, all right. Let's see, 4 times 17, 68. Yeah, 68. That's 174 over 4. Let's reduce first. Okay, all right. So 216. Yep. Okay, so 216. I can't see my own handwriting. Let's see, 216, 27. Okay, all right, got it. So let's see, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 3.5. Okay, all right, finally, we are done. Okay, all right. Thanks for being patient with me. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.
OMG, that was so good.